Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Meghalaya Conrad ke Sangma bawanra ya kamang tingka na kamantau senam arjar arpuar arjar arpulai hayeng dorbar thawain ke Jylla ulapan pau ke Khmih lynti bak Sorkar kan yo lum pisa na ke jingwanra ya korkomti dewïong da ke bujing start sayan ha ke Jylla haba pentip ya kani ha ke si besau ke dorbar mang tingka ha ka khandai terib luber arjar arpuar ulong bak Sorkar ke simik senjam ban lilam ya ke benta ke babunjong dewïong baladeti ubadan laipu arlak metric ton. Dah ke bapen pau bal leng ba ke jingti dewïong kat kum ki bujing start sayan kan penlong yak Sorkar Jylla ban yo lum pisa. Ulong ba umang nak non tax revenue hakat nat mining kan long sun spark lur tingka bat ke overall non tax revenue kan long nyuk spa life way lur tingka. Ula pentip ru ba ke Ministry of Coal ke Sorkar India kala ay ka prospecting license nak benta ke jingti dewïong kat kum ki buj start sayan sya khat nyungut ki bala apply.
The non-tax revenue collection during the current financial year is expected to touch 541 crores. For 2022-23, the government is taking steps to auction a large portion of the 32 lakh metric tons of the extracted coal. I am also expected to generate significant additional revenues through the initiation of scientific mining in the state. The Ministry of Coal has already given approval for prospecting operations for 17 applicants. Given this, I am estimating the non-tax revenue from the mining sector to be 500 crores and the overall non-tax revenue to be 731 crores.